Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Radio Man Titan from Skibidi Toilet. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Titan Speakerman from Skibidi Toilet, let's begin by drawing the shoulders. So I'm going to start right up here and I'm just going to make a straight line across. Next, I'm going to draw the first speaker up here. So I'm just going to make a line that's going to come up. I'm going to come over and then down like this. Next, I'll make another one. I'm going to go up, over, and then down. Now, this next one, I'm going to come at an angle. So I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up. We'll go over like this, and then I'm going to come down to right about here. I'll do the same thing over here. Let's come up at an angle. We'll go up like this, and then I'll come down here. Now, starting here, before I draw any more, I'm going to bring a little line down with a curve on each side, just to kind of shape out the shoulders. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come out at an angle. I'll go up like this, and then I'm going to come down, kind of meeting in that little spot right there. I'll do the same thing here, just going to come out to here. We'll come up, and then I'll bring this down right about there. Next, I'm going to make a little line across on each side. Now, I want to put some details in here. Right here, I'm going to draw one circle and then a second one right over here. And then inside of here, I'm going to make a little rectangle shape. Now, inside of here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up, over, and then down. I will draw a circle, and then another little kind of square shape right there. Over here, I'm going to make 3 circles. So I'm going to draw 1, 2, and 3 circles. And I'll do the same thing over here. We're just going to draw 1, 2, and 3 circles. Then I'm going to draw a small circle inside the very top one. Now, this next one, I'm going to make a circle at the top, and then I'm going to put 2 a little bit farther towards the bottom. So you can see there's quite a bit of space between this one and these 2. So same thing here, I'm going to make a circle, and then I'm going to draw 2 circles closer to the bottom. Now in each one of these, I'm going to put a black dot. So I'm just going to make a black dot inside each one of these. Now let's go ahead and start working on the body. So I'm going to bring this line down, and I'll do the same thing over here. Just kind of bring this down a little bit at an angle. I'm going to come straight down. Do a little curve at the end of each one. Then I'm going to bring this up. And then I will bring this into here. So got it up, and then I'll bring it in. Now right here I'm going to put another speaker. So I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down, over, we're going to come up, and over. Same thing here, I'm going to go down, over, up, and over. Then I'll draw 2 circles inside each one. Now starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come down, and same thing here, just a line that comes down, and just connect it across here. Now in the middle, I'm going to put a big circle. So I'm just going to make a nice big circle right in the middle of the chest. And then I'm going to put a second and a third circle right inside of here. Now starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down. It's going to come over and up. And then I'll make two little lines right here. Next, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come out at an angle and straight down. Same thing here, out at an angle, and then we're just going to go straight down. I'll curve this across on each side just for the bottom of the legs. Then I'm going to bring this line straight up and then in at an angle. Straight up and in at an angle. And then we'll just draw a line right across to connect them. Next, I'll draw a little bit of a diagonal line at the bottom of each leg. Then I'm going to curve this down on each side for the top of the foot. Then I'm going to curve this up to here. So same thing, I'm going to curve this up to here. Next, I'll draw a little line across the bottom. Then I'll make a line across the bottom of the pants as well. Now right here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down, over, and up. Same thing here, down, over, and up. Now for the hands, I'm going to make a line that's going to come down and over. Same thing here, we're just going to go down and over. I'm going to bring this line straight up, put a little angle on it. Then starting here, we're going to go out, up, and then in. So we just go out, up, and then in. Now starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down all the way towards the pants and in. And then same thing here, I'm going to bring this line down all the way towards the pants and then in. And there you go, there is your drawing of the Titan Speakerman from Skibidi Toilet. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed.